Minor installation of the burners, grates, and knobs will be required before firing up your Forte range. The 36-inch range comes with 6 burners, 3 regular-sized grates, and 7 knobs. The burner set is comprised of 2 20,000 BTU powerful dual-ring brass burners, 2 15,000 BTU large burners, 2 9,000 BTU standard burners, and 1 6,000 BTU simmer burner. The circular opening on the burners should easily glide over the burner's igniter on the cooktop. Mind the 3 ridges on the bottom of the burner. They should be inserted into the cooktop's recesses to limit movement. You will know it's properly installed if the burner is securely fit with minimal movement. The installation process of the simmer, standard, and large burners will be the same. Once the burners are installed, simply place the burner caps so each burner is completely covered. For the dual ring burner, position it so the lightning-shaped symbol points toward the igniter. As you place the burner on the range, insert the 2 ridges on the underside of it into the recesses on the burner's position on the range. Like the other burners, it should fit securely and limit movement. Once the burners and their caps have been properly installed, you can begin to install the grates. There are 4 small nubs with protective padding on the underside of each grate. You will place them into the recesses on the range. And just like the burners, the grate should securely fit with minimal movement. When installing the knobs, simply match the cutout on their underside with that of the rod on the range. The black strip on the knob should be facing up to indicate you are placing it correctly. Push the knob inward until you meet resistance. There will be no click to indicate you have properly installed it. This is normal. That's all there is to it. If you have any further questions, visit us on forteappliances.com or give us a call at 718-249-1217.